Hey guys, welcome to my scrappiness.
Hey guys, it's Marissa again. How are you all? I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm still working on Christmas projects, and if you watch my other video on the flat top milk box, you will you will know at that point that I kind of made a big mistake. I deleted like 6 of my pre-recorded Christmas projects videos, and so I'm recreating them now. This is the project we will be working on today. The supplies for this project here was from our Pink and Main Frosty kit. The kit comes with all these items in the kit. These products are already in my Scrapbooks Hawaii Facebook group. Please join that group if you haven't joined yet. And again, it comes with 4 of these mini ink pads. Oh my God, these ink pads are just so vibrant. I really love them. And then we have the Flurries stamp set that goes with the kit. And then, of course, we have a 6x6 double-sided papers here. Really cute papers. I enjoyed working with these papers. But I would like to do something different today. And instead of using the Pink and Main Frosty kit, we will still use the kit and the inks rather, and the stamp to make this. But other than that, this is such a very cute set. So I'm going to put this on the side and use the cheer layout kit by Kiwi Lane. And of all these cute papers here, I've already used one of the papers. You know what? I figured I've already cut it up, so I'm going to go ahead and still use it. This is the paper I'm talking about. So I'm going to put this on the side, and let's work with this paper. I have my score pal here, and this paper has got 6x6. We're going to score our first score at 1 3/8. So this score pal, by the way, is has a scoring of every 1/8 of an inch. If you want this score pal, let me know. I can place an order for everyone, but I have to do a group order for this. So if you can please let me know. If I have 6 or more people ordering this, I'll go ahead and place the order. Again, I did say we're going to score at 1 3/8, and then we're going to go straight down. I love the papers of Kiwi Lane. They're very thick and they hold up to a lot of handling. So the next, and so you saw that I turned this to the side like this. So we're going to create, so you remember where that first line is, right? So there's our first line across this way. So the first crease that we're going to create on this side now is, again, a 1 3/8. But we're not going to take this all the way down. We're going to take it only up to the point where we had created our first line. So 1 3/8 up to our first line. Okay, because there's our first line right there, and so it's only up to there. The next line or scoring that we're going to do is going to be at 2 3/4. And this one we can take all the way down. And then we're going to work on our third crease. Our third crease will be at 4 1/4. And again, we're going to do the same thing like we did on the first one. We're going to only take it up to the point where we had created our other crease this way. Finally, we're going to crease at 5 1/2, and we're going to take that straight down. So we took this straight down at 2 3/4, and we took it straight down at 5 1/2. We took it only up to the point of our first crease at 1 3/4, 1 3/8, I should say, and at 4 1/4. We're going to now fold our creases. See how thick this paper is? You can hear how thick it is. I love Kiwi Lane paper because of the thickness. And okay, so the first thing we're going to do, like usual, is where these two meet, I'm going to miter, cut it and miter it to that point. Make a small wedge, not exactly where the fold is, but a little bit, maybe a hair to the side and going up to meet to that end up there. And then we're going to do some small wedges again on here, up to that intersection up there, doing the same thing over on this side. Okay, now it's time for us to put the box together. I'm going to take my trusty tear tape and again, doubling it up so that it'll be a little bit more secure, so it won't pop open. And then we're going to put this together. There you go. I'm trying to make it cylindrical a bit. At this point, we're going to go ahead and I like my seams to be facing backwards, like where we put this together. So this would face backwards, which means this will be my front. So I'm lifting that up, putting this two down, and I'm going to put the adhesive over here. If you have an extra hanging adhesive like I have on this one, just fold it in. You don't have to cut it out. You just have to fold it in. And then align your edges, and there you go. At this point, if you have extra seam like that, like I have here, don't worry, you can always cut that down. This is why I made the wedges. So sometimes when the wedges are not perfectly wedged, like I had for this one, no problem, just cut it out when it's peeking out. All right, so we pinch this top together. At this point, I just made the hole. I get my ribbon. I cut maybe about 6 inches, because I can, or five or 6 inches, and then just cut at an angle. I'm going to use my twine here. I cut about maybe 15 inches of it, and then I'm going to tie a bow around it. You'll probably have extra, maybe even tie a bow around it like this. So I'll go ahead and put my bow there, and then arrange my bow, make it shorter, and then cut off on the end like so. Throw the rest. Okay, so of course I forgot to tell you guys, don't forget to put your goodies before you put the ribbon on. Okay, so this is our project. Let me just show you how to make the embellishment here. For the embellishment, I'm going to use, let's see, I think I want this, or maybe this one. Let's use this one over here. I have here my Fiskars Stampin' Press, and so I'm going to use the Pink and Main fountain ink here. Just tap the ink on, turn it over, and stamp. Ah, I love it. I love it. I love it. And then I'm going to take, this is a 1/2 inch circle punch, again a Fiskars punch, and let me just, oops, again I'm gonna have to trim a bit of this so I can fit our punch in and center the image that we just stamped down on. I think that's good. There you go. And then I've already also punched out a 2-inch circle punch. Basically, it is the same paper that we have here. We're just going to use the flip side of it. So let me go ahead. You know what I'm going to do too is ink the edge of this circle here. Just, you know, it'll stand out a bit. Okay. And then we're going to pop it. And I think I'm going to adhere this to our 2-inch punch out here. I'm going to try and center it the best I can. There you go. I'm going to take a foam square here and put that in the middle. Take out the backing, and guys, there you go. We have a cute little treat holder here. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. It's very easy to create out of a 6x6 paper. So if you have a lot of Christmas pads that are 6x6, you can go ahead and create this little cute treat holder. I hope you enjoyed watching and learned something from this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed yet, this is the best time to subscribe. Please hit the bell button to be notified of my uploads. I try to upload Mondays and Thursdays every single week. And so yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I do have a playlist for the Christmas projects that I've created so far. It's in the description down below. So click on that. And if you want to avail of the products that we've used today, I also have the links down in the description below. That's it, guys. And please don't forget, share this video and let your friends know about our projects and of our channel. I'll catch you guys later, and thank you. Bye.